Hi guys, thank you for joining today's Redart session. Today's presenter will be Madan from Redington. Madan, over to you.
Okay, thanks, Hari. Hi guys, good morning. Uh, I hope many of you know about me. I'm Madan. I'm solution architect from Redington Value. So today's session will be on Redart Enterprise Linux 8. So this is as partner launch overview. So this is only specified for only Redart partners, designed for Redart partners. Okay. Redart, I think you can understand the Redart open source platform. That is one of the operating system in data center environment, mainly in. Okay. So in Redart Linux 8, the first thing we need to know about Hello World. So Hello World, it's a developer platform. So if anybody want to test the product and develop some tools from open source platform, they can go through Hello World open source community, and they will get the beta version, and they can create their own developer platform. So this is mainly for any workload, any environment, and one OS. That's a theme for Hello World. Okay, that will be part of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. In short, it is RHEL. So the latest version is 8, which was launched in last year, May 7th, 2019. Okay. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux, in a very simple form, we need to understand what is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It's an open source operating system platform. Okay, on Linux base. So consistency and control from your data center to the cloud. That's why we said today's session on the foundation for cloud. Okay, the comprehensive cloud solution. So this is the foundation. Red Hat Enterprise Linux is the foundation to create your data center platform. So that will provide consistency and control for the data center. Okay. So this is from on-premise to the cloud. So the single solution will provide the ability to transition or transform into. So this will provide control, freedom, and confidence. The consistent foundation for service delivery ready infrastructure. So now we have so software-defined networking, software-defined storage. So everything is part of from Red Hat Enterprise Linux base platform. Okay. See, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 gives organizations the stable, security-focused, and consistent foundation across hybrid cloud deployments and the tools they need to deliver applications and workloads faster with less effort. So this is very simply, we can say, so if you want to create your own platform, okay, or your own infrastructure, so you can rely on Red Hat Enterprise Linux to build your own infrastructure. So now everybody is talking about build your own infrastructure, right? BIOI. So that is possible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux platform. Okay. So simply we can say it's an open source operating system platform. Okay. To understand what is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So what we'll be discussing today? So today will be on what's in it for partners. So what's new for customers. So create launch day awareness. So training and enablement. So everything we'll see. So consulting services, which is available for Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So jumpstart your team. That one for the team planning on training related base. So what's next for all partners? So for overall partner set. So then finally questions and answers. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 and partners, that's the main thing. So what does Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 offer me? That means is the partner is asking. So focus on customer business growth, not reacting to security vulnerabilities. So obviously you can understand that RxCL is very hardened and certified and very high secured operating system in this IT arena. Okay, so it offers very higher kind of security on your operating system, where you can harden your platform overall. Okay, so platform manageability through the addition of Redart Insights. That Redart Insights, the platform, you will get the complete visibility and predictive IT risk analytics. Okay, part of that Redart Enterprise Linux 8. So Redart Insight is part of Redart Enterprise Linux 8 now. Okay, in all it's inbuilt in all the Redart Enterprise Linux subscription. The customer will get Redart Insights by default. So a foundation from which to build long-lasting customer relationships. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 forms a foundation for Redart's entire hybrid cloud portfolio. That's why we mentioned it's foundation to cloud. Okay, the journey or the foundation journey to the cloud. Okay, so where the journey starts from Redart Enterprise Linux 8. So this is the foundation for the entire hybrid cloud portfolio. Okay, this is the base. So without this, you cannot do other things. Okay? So faster path to modern applications. So that's a very important thing. So speed application development by standardizing on a consistent hybrid cloud foundation that lets you choose from the most recent stable development languages, compilers, databases, tools, and container technologies on the latest hardware and cloud environments. So why we are creating our infrastructure, that's a main thing, right? So infrastructure creation is meant for application modernization, right? Application development, standardizing application, application level security, kind of, right? High performance on applications. So everything towards application. So where you are doing the application development or standardizing, providing highest security, for that, so you need to have a stable development languages, compilers, databases, and tools, and very latest. So we are talking about the container technologies also, right? So container technologies provides the ability to give better performance on application level. So which is by default available on Redart Enterprise Linux 8, okay, for application development on standardization. So consistent foundation for customer cloud native applications. So consistent foundation for customers cloud native applications. Redart Enterprise Linux provides the tool you need to deliver services and workloads faster with less effort. So that's why you mentioned any application, right? So any application on any footprint at any time to your customers. So multiple ways for you to grow bookings. So obviously for partners, what will get, right? Normally, what offers me? So Redart Enterprise Linux lowers the barrier of entry to Linux for Windows and Linux beginners. So obviously, it's very easy to understand, and any beginners also to start with Redart Enterprise Linux will be easy, very easy. So how Redart Enterprise Linux 8 helps partners grow bookings? So this is mainly for partners. What will get? So if we are investing as a partner, we are investing our time, our resources, our entire efforts into a business. So what is the benefit we'll get and how the business will grow? See, the migrate existing customers to RHEL 8. So RHEL 8 offers a seamless, non-disruptive migration process for existing RHEL deployments, enhancing the application migration process from RHEL 7. So if any customer is willing to upgrade to RHEL 8 to get better features which is available on RHEL 8, okay, it's very seamless. So without any disruption, without any issues, directly you can migrate from 7 to 8, okay, without any disruptive process. So attract new customers that thought Linux was too complicated. Okay, so always the customers used to say earlier, okay, Linux is very complicated. It's command line interface, difficult to understand, difficult to manage everything. But in RHEL 8, it lowers the barriers of entry to Linux for Windows and Linux beginners. That's why you said. So RHEL 8 is providing the ability to familiarize or deploy in a very simple efforts. Okay, so easily they can understand, they can manage, they can provide the security, everything in a very simple manner. So cross-sell RHEL 8 with workloads your customers demand. So RHEL 8 is optimized to support your critical database workloads, including Oracle, SAP HANA, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and leading ISV applications and workloads. So why we are talking about the critical databases? So critical databases are providing the highest level of application availability to the customers, right? So for any production environment, maximum which is running with the critical databases, including Oracle, SAP HANA, SQL, and other third-party ISV applications. So for those workloads, we are providing very optimized environment or the platform to run on. Okay, that's why we said cross-sell RHEL 8 with workloads your customers demand. Also, which is providing the container-based environment or the platform to run all these databases. So upsell professional and consulting services and training with the RHEL 8 promotional discounts. So you can upsell professional services and consulting services as well. Also, you can provide training to your customers. If any of your customers are asking 5 days training, we can provide the quote, and we can leverage the option on consulting and professional services for their implementations. Very high level of implementation touch. So customer priorities in 2019, we are in beginning of 2020. So we are comparing from 2019 only. So that is a completed year we are comparing with. So what is the customer priorities we have seen? So they were requested for agility, innovation, and efficiency. So business agility mainly. Okay, so they need to get a very resilient environment for their successful business model, right? So how they can achieve that shifting focus? So maximize business agility and efficiency by evolving traditional infrastructure deployment to be service delivery ready. See, they want to focus on their business, line of business, not on IT infrastructure all that time. Okay, so once it is deployed, they need to focus only on their line of business, not on infrastructure only. So that's the thing they mentioned, maximize business agility and efficiency by evolving traditional infrastructure deployment to be service delivery ready. So for modern applications, on the previous slides we have seen, if they are getting into modernized application model, then they need to have a service delivery ready infrastructure. So every time they are evolving on their application, they should not go for or look for application level infrastructure ready. So they need to go for service delivery ready. So anytime they can go for modernized application, the service delivery is same. Okay, only they are modernizing or transforming their application model only. That is the concept of service delivery ready. Any transforming model, the infrastructure should support. So holistic approach, a holistic view of business needs from application users to IT operations. So meeting today's requirements and preserving flexibility. The same thing which is lying on the shifting focus. So once you created the IT infrastructure, they should not worry about changing the infrastructure every time when they are looking for application modernization. Okay, it should be a holistic approach across IT operations till users application. Okay, in all the level should be a single window. So reality for customers in 2019. So market trends, ongoing needs, and budget limitations. So cloud is a new normal. So now everybody is talking about cloud is a new normal. This is current, even the current trend, which is leading towards the cloud business, right? Cloud model. Cloud is a new normal, right? So we are talking about new normal, not normal, new normal. So everybody is talking about cloud. Cloud is a new trend. So APIs are the future. So you have two different applications. You will have a API to integrate together. Okay. So application programming interface. API is nothing but application programming interface. So finding talent is hard. That's there. So one IT guy is very strong in Windows platform or Microsoft platform. Sorry. So he may not very strong in other Linux flavors or Linux platform. So finding talent is hard to understand the skill set. Okay. So complexity, maintenance, and security, that's a reality in the market, in customer side. Okay. And in ongoing needs and budget limitations. Obviously, they used to have siloed products. Okay. Single point solutions. They don't have any single solution to address all their issues. Okay. Always they have point solutions. That's there in complexity. So maintenance, maintaining different infrastructure is very painful. And security also, managing different infrastructure is hard to manage. So customers want open source. So now everybody is looking for open source. So they want to invest on very small limited budget, but they want to achieve whatever they want. Okay, that is a new strategy choice now. Okay. So how important is enterprise open source to your organization's overall enterprise infrastructure software strategy? So extremely important. See, you can see that extremely important is 40%. Okay, extremely important is 29%. Very important is 40%. Important is 20%. Somewhat important is 10%. Not at all important is 1%. Right? So extremely important is 29%. So 29% of customers need open source platform. Guys, my voice is audible. I hope my voice is audible. So Redart is the Linux OS market leader. Okay. So Linux is the platform. Redart is a brand. Right. Redart is a Linux operating system market leader. So 14.5% CAGR from 2012 to 2017. Approximately 2 times faster growth than next Linux operating system in the nearby market leader. So rising to number 2 ahead of Apple's client business. Now we are moving very fast towards ahead of Apple's client business. So worldwide operating systems and subsystems 2017 SaaS snapshot. So you can see that Microsoft is 72.2%. They have the overall market business. And you can see that Redart is 7.4%. The next one, okay. And then Apple is 7.4% is equal. The client business model, client operating system model, okay. The Mac operating system. And then IBM is 3.8. Now Redart and IBM together, okay. So now in the same company, group company. And then others are 9.2%. Now you can see that so Redart remains a leading innovator of new Linux operating system technologies as well as complementary technologies such as middleware, virtualization, and PaaS. Okay, platform as a service. So in the right hand side you can see so worldwide operating systems and subsystems CAGR by vendor from 2012 to 2017. So Redart always on growth part. Okay, so some other vendors they are going in negative growth. Okay, so Redart which is going to 14.5% CAGR for last 5 to 6 years span of time. Okay. So this is a source from IDC. I hope you can understand the IDC report. They are very renowned market strategist and statistics company. Okay. So now we are getting into Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 overview. So what is there in Red Hat Enterprise Linux? As we said, or as we started the presentation, this is the foundation for hybrid cloud model. So Linux is a foundation. See, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 is the intelligent operating system that is a consistent foundation for the enterprise hybrid cloud. That's what we said. This is the foundation for enterprise hybrid cloud model. So what is providing? So digital transformation can only be done with Linux. If anybody is looking for digital transformation, okay, any of our customer is looking for digital transformation, can only be done with Linux. Okay, that's a base operating system. So only Red Hat Enterprise Linux provides an intelligent operating system that is a consistent foundation for the enterprise hybrid cloud. That's what we said. So we are not talking only about operating system. We are also providing virtualization. We are also providing middleware, application performance model, service delivery from operating system perspective. So we are providing everything from a single platform. Okay, that's why we said if any of our customer is looking for digital transformation, they need to go with Linux platform, base platform only from a single vendor model or a single operating system model. So delivering any application on any footprint at any time, giving you control, confidence, and freedom. Okay, so you will get a complete control of your environment or application availability, application performance, and security first of all, and you will also get confidence on your environment. So once you configured without any issues, it will run for long. So and freedom to attach with or integrate with many of the other applications, third-party solutions through APIs, available APIs, or you can build your own API platform. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, which is I hope, Hari, is it visible?
Yes, Madan, please go ahead.
Okay, fine. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, which is providing, we said in the previous slide, which is providing the complete control of your environment, which is providing the confidence on your environment, and also which is providing the complete freedom of choice for your application and the infrastructure. Okay, so that's where, so it's very faster and more consistent delivery in any deployment footprint with the full coverage, native automation. Okay, so leading security focused platform in any cloud infrastructure and for emerging workloads like machine learning as part of the base platform itself. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux, which is providing the machine learning as part of the operating system by default. Okay. And third one is faster onboarding for non-Linux users without fear of the command line. So normally any customer, they will have their own fear. Okay, this operating system which is working on command line, full of commands. So now it is breaking that barrier. So you will get the complete GUI base, so graphical user interface base, So whatever you are doing on command line, the same thing you can do it maximum. You can do it on GUI also. So very few part you need to go through the command line, but not much like earlier. Okay, and this is running on kernel base, individual kernel base. So the security of the operating system or security of the infrastructure is very high than any other operating systems in the world. Okay, and it's very seamless and non-disruptive migration. That's why in the previous slides we have seen, for anybody they want to migrate from RHEL 7 to RHEL 8, it's very seamless process. Okay, without any disturbance, without any disruption on the production environment, they can migrate to the latest version to get all the new features. So increase agility and reduce time to market of critical business workloads. So faster time to hello world with streamlined access to high quality open source development tools. So I think you can understand the hello world is a open source community. So any developer community, they want to test our beta version or the latest version on their development side of the model, business model, they can log in through or access, get the access through hello world. Okay, and then they can test their environment and their development tools. So leading database partner for Oracle, SAP HANA, Microsoft SQL and Postgres and any third-party solutions, you can integrate and you can use it on our Linux platform for business critical workloads. So ease transition and fuel adoption of containerized workloads with the inclusion of new container tools. I think you people can understand the Kubernetes. Now everybody is talking about the Kubernetes, okay, the containerized model, which is part of Redart Enterprise platform. Now, okay, so you can integrate even from the previous model. Now it is very intelligent, better than the previous versions. So you can integrate and you can attach along with the machine learning to keep your critical workloads across on containerized workload model. So intelligent OS insights, so differentiated SaaS included with every Redart Enterprise Linux subscription. Okay, so intelligent OS insights. You people can understand OS insight. What is OS insight? It's like a performance review, the predictive analytics kind of insights you will get, complete insight of your environment. So that component, that is part of every Redart Enterprise Linux subscription. Okay, so by default now. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 launch activities. This is from the previous one we said, create launch day awareness. So we encourage all partners to draft and issue their own press release or blog post in support of the Enterprise Redart Enterprise Linux 8 GA general availability, and to support the GA on your own social channels. So you can get into partner portal of Redart. Okay, I hope everybody has access to our Redart partner portal. So you can get into the partner portal and you can download the communications deck and you can attach along with your mail campaigns. And also you'll get a social media kit. So log into partner portal and social media kit option, you can download the draft messages, default draft messages. So you can put only your logos, your details, and you can send it to your customers. Or you can attach with the social media package. So press release and blog templates, again you can download, and customer email, that's mainly for email campaigners. Okay, so to create the awareness. So create your own marketing campaign. So you can have a conversation guide you can download if the customer is asking any frequently asked questions or any related queries on the product. So you can download from partner portal, and you can just do the conversation with your customers. You can create the conversation model. So social media kit and creative assets, again, that is also available. And then video for Rel 8, it's a small video which is available on portal. You can download and you can use it. Okay, so that's there in link. So what's new? That's in the infographic. It's a one-pager infographic. They will give you what all the new features are available on Rel 8, comparing from Rel 7. Okay, so this is a customer launch day awareness, the new product awareness. So now we are getting into Redart Enterprise Linux 8 training and enablement. So training and enablement overview. So Redart partners in partner sales engineer and delivery roles should start their learning journey with Redart Open. Okay. Then continue with Redart training and certification for supplemental training courses as needed. Okay. So partners in technical support roles such as internal IT staff or support engineers on partners community should start with Redart training and certification, okay, from Redart partner portal. So then sales, education and customer focused content that help you with your day-to-day sales activities are located in Partner Content Hub. I hope once you logged in to Redart Partner Central, you will get access to Partner Content Hub also. For that, you need to register and you need to do one-time registration, right? So I hope these things, all the training, guides, data sheets, white paper, everything available on the partner portal. Okay, I hope that Redart Open you can understand, right? So Open is nothing but Online Partner Enablement Network. OPEN is Online Partner Enablement Network. Okay, that is called Open, Redart Open. New technical training free for partners and Redart Open. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 new features for experienced Linux administrators. Already the partners are well versed in Redart Rel 7. They want to know the new features in Redart 8. Yes, they can log into Redart Open and they will get training for free on the enhancements. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 troubleshooting, that's with M4 plus subscription manager. Okay, so they will show the difference between M3 and M4. Okay, I think you can understand the M3 and M4 from the previous versions. They will tell you what all the additional features are available on M4 plus. Okay, so this course will cover differences between M and DNF commands. So I hope YAML related commands, YAM based commands, how you need to write and log data on your environment, how you can use commands, okay, command line interface, how you can use the commands, very easily you can understand the command line. So everything they will teach in YAM based. Okay. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 troubleshooting, that is part of web console. Okay, it's an easy to use, lightweight and simple yet powerful remote manager for Linux servers. That is default on Redart Enterprise Linux 8. That's mainly for troubleshooting. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 troubleshooting image builder. The last one is, guys, all these trainings are available on Redart Open. Okay, Redart Online Partner Enablement Network. Open means. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 troubleshooting image builder. It's an image building tool and a live bootable image creator, allowing the end user to create customized and supported Redart Enterprise Linux image. This is mainly for cloning the images or building the gold images for your data center, for future use, or for test and development. So all those things, the image builder will give the ability. to do the image building on live. Okay. Yeah. New technical training available, discounted for partners. So Redart System Administration 2, Administration 1, Administration 2, and then also we are providing rapid track course update. Okay. So Administration 1, you can say that Administration 1 and Administration 2, that is RH 124, the exam, the training code, and then Administration 2, which is RH 134. Okay, to become full-time Linux administrator to focus on. So rapid course, you'll get to both in a single course model. So once you're done with these courses like Administration 1 and Administration 2, rapid track courses, you are eligible to take the certification, Redart Certified System Administrator. Okay. So this exam tests your knowledge and skill in areas administration across common across a wide range of environments and deployment scenarios. So first you need to, that's why this is first you need to become RHCSA Certified System Administrator to become Redart Certified Engineer, RHCE. So that's the first level. So once you're done, then you will become RHCE. Okay, Redart Certified Engineer. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 Technical Overview. So the Redart Enterprise Linux Technical Overview is a series of no-cost, on-demand online videos that provide a technical introduction to Linux for IT professionals. So complete set of videos, okay, technical overview videos are available on partner portal on Redart Open. So you can go through and you can understand what are the changes or what are the new features are available from the previous versions. Okay. So Redart Learning subscription, this is a new model, very latest model. Okay. So partners and customers can now access a free trial of Redart Learning subscription. Coming soon will be a partner version of the free trial where partners can attach their company logo and generate their own leads. So this will provide the ability for on-demand based training or online based training. So this is available 24/7 access globally, available offline also. So self-paced, unlimited access to Redart courses, almost all the courses. So access to content currently in development. Okay. Updated content pushed as the early releases. Content spans the entire Redart product portfolio. So if anybody is buying Redart Learning subscription, so they will get access to almost all the product line. Okay. So early access to completed chapters of courses. So now they are asking the trainings and courses, okay, and exams. Partners will get some discount from June 2019. This is from last year. These training promotions are running in. Okay, promotional discounts you will get as a partner if you are going for learning subscription or any training courses like RH 124 and 134 or any training exams. As a partner will get promotional discounts. This is part of Redart Learning subscription model. You can reach us anytime. So helpful links for partners. So how to register for Redart Open training? So we have the option that you can download the guide, step-by-step guide, instruction guide. How you can create your own account for your partner login or your internal employees login, or how you can start with the training and the certification process, that assessment, everything online. An online-based Redart Open trainings, certified engineer program changes, training guide for partners. So yeah, Redart Enterprise Linux 7 and 8 plus Redart Certified Engineer Learning Path. So everything which is available on portal. If you have already you have access, you can log into Redart Open, that is a partner central, and you will get access to all complete access. If you don't have, please let us know anytime. So we will guide you how to do the registration, how to log in, how to take the training. Okay, how to become certified partner or certified teams, okay, to the advanced and premium level partner. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 consulting services. So Redart Enterprise 8 consulting services for this particular version we talk about. So upgrade in place to the most powerful, secure, flexible, evolved Linux platform. So take advantage of leap upgrade capability and automation to accelerate evolution and reduce upgrade risk. So any customer, they are willing to upgrade their environment in place, which is running already. Okay, so very confidently they want to do the migration or any upgrade from their previous traditional workload to the latest workload, the modernized workload. Yes, from consulting services, Redart consulting services, we can provide the option for any upgrades. Okay. So you can see that intelligent evaluation, maintain a stable environment while gaining from technology and security improvements. Efficiency, accelerate the upgrade with minimal disruption to production. Scalability, so deploy and manage Redart Enterprise Linux 8 systems at scale across all platforms. So if any customer, they want to migrate or they want to deploy and manage with multiple operating system model or heterogeneous platform model, okay, or different platform model, okay. So with the scalability of API integration or migration or any middleware support, everything from our consulting services, Redart consulting services, we can provide the service. And standardize operating environments and content management practices. See, establish strong, efficient practices for SOE definition, iteration, and automation. So that is part of flexibility, reliability, and efficiency. See, update components independently and recombine easily to streamline SOE definition and maintenance. Okay. So reliability, rapidly provision and deliver proven production systems in isolation or in mass without errors or rework. So it's a complete reliability. So we also have insight, and for updates we have Redart satellites, okay, any patch management related work, and also we have Ansible for automation. I hope you people know that Ansible is a very recent newcomer in Redart. So even we are focusing on, so any automation process, you can depend on, you can rely on Ansible from Redart. Okay. So reliability, flexibility, reliability, and efficiency. At last on efficiency and standardization. So easily monitor and manage drift, versioning, and compliance with system-wide or individual remediation. So again, if you are integrating with Redart Enterprise Linux, inside Satellite and Ansible, so you will get high level of confidence on your environment, flexibility, reliability, and efficiency. Okay. Yeah. So now reduce risk. So with the automated security and compliance workflows, that's why we said that is now it's part of Ansible. Okay. So basic management you can provide from the basic management component. Okay. Smart management. If you are looking for automation or workflow, you can go with Ansible. So establish automated workflows to quickly identify and reliably remediate issues. So speed and accuracy. So reduce errors and systematically deploy relevant changes to all targeted systems. So if you are using Ansible, directly you can create your own workflow, how it's supposed to be. Okay, so that you can reduce maximum errors on your configurations, and you can create the system workflow model to run the environment or the infrastructure automatically. Okay, to create the automated workflows. So CVE mitigation, deploy tested fixes quickly, appropriately across impacted systems. You can, that's why I said you can integrate with You can integrate with Ansible, with Insight, with satellite. So you can do the CVE mitigation. You can deploy the patches, okay, the fixes. So compliance compromised systems are identified and remediated to ensure standards are upheld. So compliance, obviously, it's a high level of compliance standard, which is part of our Insight, also as part of Ansible. Okay. So whatever the changes are happening on your environment, everything will get recorded. How the network flow is going on, everything will be part of the compliance. So dependability, proven remediation scripts, automate resolution and prevent potential impacts. Obviously, so something is happening, some issues are there in your environment. So the remediation script will automate the resolution. Okay, some patches need to be applied. Okay, so Ansible will provide the solution. So this is the issue, this is the solution. You can address with that issues. So consulting marketing for Redart Enterprise Linux 8. So this is general availability. This roadmap of the consulting marketing for Redart Enterprise Linux. Okay. So this is an ongoing process. So we also need to be part of that, and we need to start something on that. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 sales and technical readiness. This is mainly for partners, very specifically designed for partners. So jumpstart your sales and technical teams. So business decision maker deck, it's a download. You can download from again Redart Open. So technical decision maker deck. That first one is business decision maker. What benefit they will get out of Redart 8. Okay. And then the technical decision maker deck, that's for investing more on our solutions. So what's new in Redart RHEL 8 deck? So the road to RHEL 8, a two-part video series that is part of Redart Open, and conversation guide, IDC RHEL economic infographic, RHEL economy white paper, the separate infographic, one-pager infographic, and white paper. You can download white paper also, full-fledged white paper. RHEL 8 training, sales conversation guide. So how you can pitch in with your customers. Okay. Again, objection handling, everything part of that sales conversation guide. So partner training guide, that's for the complete training path. You will get the complete training path. First, which one you need to take. Second, which one you need to take. Third, what is the third training? What is the fourth training? Everything will be in a flow. So sell the value of RHEL 8 to customers. So business decision maker deck, again the same thing for customers. So how we can sell to customers? So responding to constant change white paper. What are the changes? Comparison between the previous version to the current version. How you can objection handling with the customers. What are the FAQs on RHEL 8? Frequently asked questions. Okay. Then technology briefs for system admins, DBAs, developers, container management, security, managing RHEL 8, and high availability. So high availability only, it's yet to coming soon. Now, which is available on portal, so you can go and get all the technology brief guides on Redart Open. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 resources. This is partner NDA assets. You can log into partner central. Okay, then you will get access to all these data sheets, white papers, videos, training guides, conversation guide. So also how to become a certified engineer. Okay, and certified engineer program changes. What are the training you need to start with? Okay. what are the learning paths are available from REL 7 to REL 8, okay, and communication tech, everything which is available on partner resources. So you can go to partner content hub. The external customer facing assets, this is all available on the public portal. Okay, so redart.com, the public portal, even customer can log in and customer can visit our website, and they will get access to all these websites, documents, white papers, videos, FAQs, okay, and solution videos, solution documents, and also customer base training and certification track. Okay, and they will get learning deck also on external customer facing assets. So Redart Enterprise Linux, what's next? That's a main thing. Redart Enterprise Linux customer outreach. So using create launch day awareness, slide 17, that is part of that. Send this email to your customers that they are saying you can start with email campaigns. So you can download from Partner Central, and you can use it with your logos, your details, with your customer database. Okay, so that is for us. The third one is for us. If we are the distributor, then we need to send it to our partners. That is you. Okay. So use the business or technical decision maker decks for REL 8 overview meetings with your customers. So business decision maker deck and technical decision maker deck, that's mainly for partners to use it with customers, why they want to go for open source operating system platform, how they can utilize this solution to leverage or leap into transforming their digital transformation journey. Okay, what kind of benefits they will get related towards business decisions. So what kind of benefits they will get related towards technical decision. Okay, so they will get everything on their business decision and technical decision maker decks. So Redart Enterprise Linux 8 questions and or comments. So now I think we are done with our Redart Enterprise Linux session today. Okay, if you have any questions or any queries, please let us know. You can reach us any time.
I think Madan, there is no questions, so
okay,
we can wrap it up. Thank you guys for attending today's session. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Madan. Everyone aware Madan, so you can reach out to Madan on this. Thank you, Madan, for conducting this presentation.
Thank you, Hari. Thank you, team.
Thank you.
Guys. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Please let me know anytime. Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Bye.
Thanks.
Good day. Bye.